Add a few drops to water, and you'll never clean the same way again. Just one ingredient is enough. Wipe your furniture and baseboards with it, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This clever trick will help you keep your baseboards spotless. Everyone in my family asks how to clean them, so here's what you should do at home to stop dust from building up. First, wipe down the baseboards and furniture to remove the dust that's already there. Prepare a bowl and pour in some warm water, then add a small amount of one simple liquid. You definitely have it at home. That's the key ingredient: glycerin. It makes sure you won't need to dust so often. Soak a cloth, wring it out, and wipe the areas where dust collects the most. How does it work? Glycerin leaves behind a protective layer, almost like a coating. You won't even notice it's there, but it really makes a difference. Even after several days, no dust will appear. Try it at home, and you'll be amazed. Apply shaving foam to a broom. It turns out shaving foam has another brilliant use. Take a regular broom, which you probably already have at home, and apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. This prepared broom will be a lifesaver for elderly people or those with back problems. Simply turn the broom over and spread the foam on the tiles and shower cabin. The foam works like soapy lather with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it highly effective. Leave it for 15 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom using a rubber band. This way, you can easily dry the cleaned areas without leaving streaks. You'll instantly notice that the tiles and toilets shine, and a pleasant fragrance fills the bathroom, lasting for several days after cleaning. The foam also cleans grout without the need for scrubbing. Instead of using it in the dishwasher, try it for cleaning. Dampen a cloth, attach it to a Swiffer, and your home will shine. This trick adds shine to cleaned surfaces, prevents buildup of dirt and water stains, and eliminates moisture issues on tiles. Thanks to this mixture, your home will feel fresh. Grab a regular cloth and a Swiffer mop. Prepare a bowl of lukewarm water. Add a bit of dishwasher rinse aid. Any standard one from the store will do. Soak the cloth in the solution, then wring it out well so it's damp, but not dripping. The cloth is now ready. Attach it to your mop and start cleaning the bathroom tiles. Even the high ones near the ceiling that are hard to reach. It removes dust and adds a beautiful shine. Rinse the cloth as needed and move on to the next section. You can also clean kitchen tiles this way. They'll shine like new, and it doesn't stop there. This mixture also works wonders on smooth furniture. Use it to clean tall kitchen cabinet fronts or wardrobe doors. They'll look glossy, just like when they were brand new. Pour fabric softener on your broom. It turns out, fabric softener has another brilliant use. Take a regular broom, one you probably already have at home, pour fabric softener with your favorite scent over it, ensuring all the bristles are coated. This prepared broom will work wonders on your carpet. It's a simple and inexpensive way to quickly refresh your rug. No need to send it for professional cleaning or use harmful chemicals. You can restore its shine and fresh scent at home without spending a fortune. Apply shaving foam to a broom. While we usually associate it with shaving, this foam has another brilliant use. All you need is a regular broom, which most of us already have at home. Apply the foam to both sides of the broom head, making sure all the bristles are fully covered. This setup is a game changer for older people or anyone with back problems. Simply flip the broom and spread the foam over your tiles and shower walls. The foam works like a soapy cleaner with a higher potassium hydroxide content, so it's incredibly effective. But that's not all. Leave it on for 20 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom and secure it with a rubber band. You can now dry the surface quickly without streaks or water spots. The result? Sparkling clean tiles and bathroom surfaces with a fresh scent that lingers for days. This method makes cleaning easier, faster, and much more comfortable. I've never been so satisfied with my broom before. If you have a fine hairnet, place it over your broom. This fine mesh will make cleaning much easier. The broom will pick up even the tiniest dirt, and everything will stick to it like never before. This will turn your broom into the best broom in the world. All you need is a regular knee-high stocking or pantyhose sock. Slip it over the broom and start cleaning every corner of your home. A regular broom alone will never sweep as thoroughly as one with a pantyhose sock. Another trick is to stick clear tape to the bristles of the broom. This odd method really works. It's important to use wide tape. With this prepared broom, start sweeping. Hair, dust, and large debris will stick to the tape instead of getting tangled in the bristles. After cleaning, simply peel off the tape and throw it away. The tape collects dirt that a regular broom wouldn't be able to clean up. This method makes sweeping much more effective. Sprinkle salt on your broom and go to sleep. In the morning, you'll be amazed by the results. Plastic brooms are very durable, but after a few months of use, their bristles start to age. The bristles begin to split and fall out, which affects the broom's efficiency when sweeping. Don't worry about it. You can improve its condition with 2 ingredients that you most likely have at home. Fill a bowl with warm, but not boiling water. Add about 500 milliliters of vinegar. The key ingredient is salt. Add half a cup. Salt has disinfecting properties. Place the broom in the bucket. It collects a lot of bacteria and dirt on its surface. This bath will thoroughly clean it. Shake the broom in the water. You will immediately see dust coming out of it. Leave it overnight. In the morning, you'll notice that the bristles look like new. The salt also hardens the bristles, which helps them regain their shape. The broom will be restored to its former condition and will be clean. It's recommended to clean your broom like this at least once every 6 months. This way, it will last for many years. Stick clear tape on the broom bristles. This trick might look strange, but it really works. While sweeping, a lot of hair and debris get tangled in the bristles. Cleaning it often becomes annoying. Instead of struggling, just stick tape on the broom. It's important to use wide tape. Don't cut it to the length of the broom. Leave a few extra centimeters on each side. Then fold it so that it surrounds the bristles. Start sweeping with the broom prepared this way. Hair, dust, and large debris will stick to the tape instead of getting tangled in the bristles. After sweeping, simply peel off the tape and throw it away. No more digging out debris from the broom. The tape also collects dirt that the broom wouldn't have been able to clean. This method makes sweeping much more effective. Put a plastic bag on the broom. This trick will save you a lot of work, time, and frustration. Don't throw away plastic bags. You can use them while sweeping. Often, large dust pieces stick to the broom, making them hard to transfer to the dustpan. When sweeping particularly dirty and dusty areas, it's better to prepare the broom. You'll need a regular plastic bag. Place the broom in the bag and tie it to the handle. This will make sweeping much faster. Dust and hair won't stick to the bag, but will gather neatly on the floor. Fur, hair, and dust will be easily transferred to the dustpan. Although this trick may seem simple, most people don't know it. Did you know about the broom and plastic bag trick? Sprinkle the mop generously with salt. Measure 1 capful of fabric softener and pour it thoroughly over the fibers to make them soft. Then pour boiling water over the entire mop to remove built-up dirt and bacteria. Look at that dirty water. It's proof that a quick rinse is never enough. Now your mop is like new and ready to clean the floor thoroughly. Just wrap your broom in plastic wrap. Start sweeping all the cracks and hard-to-reach areas. Dust, dirt, and hair will stick to the wrap instead of the bristles. It works great at home, in the garage, and on a dirty balcony. When you're done, simply remove the wrap, and the broom stays clean and ready to use again.